There has been some pushback from school officials at LSU after we reported on a study about drug use on campus. They argue there is not a problem, but findings from the report conducted by student researchers says otherwise.
Now we've got senior reporter Nicole Marino in the studio with us with new details about this situation. Nicole, what can you tell us?
Erin, this past week, I've gathered data from the district attorney's office and collected email threads and conversations I had with LSU administrators. And buckle up because there is a lot to unpack here.
An LSU study exposed high drug use on campus. And now LSU claims the university doesn't have a drug problem and researchers used faulty data. Riley Young, one of the student researchers, is at a loss for words.
I think holistically, I don't know how anybody could arrive at the position that LSU doesn't have a drug problem. We know with the death of Eli Thomas this past semester that students' lives are at risk from fentanyl.
A zip code that includes much of campus and runs north to downtown had a dramatic increase in overdose deaths, with 34 in 2022, which is more than double the previous year. Another researcher, Rachel Wong, says students' lives are at risk and always have been.
And the fact that there isn't an expected crisis when there are students who have passed away, whether it be on or off campus, I think it's still important because these are still tigers.
Todd Woodward, LSU's vice president for marketing and communications, criticized the study after it got news coverage. LSU does not have an fentanyl, heroin, or overdose problem on campus, Woodward wrote in an email. But after that, the university sent out this email about opioid awareness to students who live in dorms or campus apartments. Professor Bob Mann, whose students conducted the research, says LSU has a reputation for trying to sweep things under the rug.
It reminds me of very much the way the LSU dealt with the rape and sexual abuse allegations a few years ago. They denied it, they covered it up, and then when they couldn't do that anymore because it exploded in the press, they had to deal with it, but it was too late and a lot of lives were wrecked.
Wong said student interest in Narcan was even higher than expected.
We have people texting us on our social medias and things like that, like where can I get this Narcan? Like, I didn't realize you guys are handing this out. Like, this is actually so amazing.
Mann said the students' work and motivation are solid.
They love this place and they are concerned about the well-being of students in a way that I'm afraid some administrators aren't. So I'm really proud of them for speaking truth to power.
We reached out to LSU's communication team following the professor's feedback. The announcement that Narcan training would be available on campus, but we have yet to receive a response as of news time. Nicole Marino, Tiger TV News.